Hi, guys. Huh? Where are the babies? Stay calm. We're gonna find them. But first, we need to put this puzzle together. Let's start with the biggest one. Will this head fit? Nope, it's too small. Let's try this head. Wrong, it's too big, too. This must be the head we need. Right. Next one. How about this piece? Perfect. And the last head. Here we go. Let's find this piece next. How about this one? It fits. And finally, the tail. This is the tip. Let's see if it fits. Amazing! Where does this piece belong? Right here. I think I know. Here it goes. Help me with this piece. Aha! And the tail. Great job! The baby is back. It's a fox. Where's your mom? Here she is. Foxes have fluffy tails and pointy ears. Baby foxes are called kits. Let's fill in these empty shapes. What's this? Cheese! A fly. What do we put here? A raspberry. Yummy. All done, but how about… Ah! What is this? Let's find out. Oh, it's just what we need. A frog! It eats flies. A bear! It likes raspberries. And a mouse! It loves cheese. Woohoo! Well done, it's a baby mouse. Go to your mommy. Mice have long tails and big ears. A baby mouse is called a pup. Hey there! Hi! We need to put this puzzle together. This animal first. I think this is the one. A lion! Now we need to find its baby. Here, a lion cub. Next, this bird. Here it is. It's a duck. Where's its baby? Gotcha! This is a duckling! Now, how about this animal? Here it is! An elephant! And its baby is right here, a baby elephant. Next, let's find this animal. It's a bear! And this is a bear cub! Which one next? Okay. It's a frog. And this is its baby, little frog. And the last animal is a hippo. And here's a baby hippo. Great job, friends! Here's our reward. It's a little bear. Where's your mom? Right here. Baby bears are called cubs. Bears have thick fur to keep them warm in winter. Wow, this puzzle looks so cool. I think we should put this piece right here. What's next? Let's find the bottom piece. Must be this one. This piece next. Where does this one go? Got it. Next, this one? Wrong. This is the right one. Now we can use this piece. And the last one. Done. It's a rabbit. And a baby rabbit for our puzzle. Hop to your mom, little bunny. Rabbits have long ears and strong back legs. They help them hop very far. A baby rabbit is called a kit. Who lives in this house? Oh, we can use these keys. The pink key for the pink lock? It's a pink mouse. The blue key for the blue lock. There's a blue bear inside. The yellow key should open the yellow lock. It's a yellow pig! The green key for the green lock. We have a green cat inside. Hold on, there's something else. It's a cat. This baby cat needs its mommy. Baby cats are called kittens. Cats have whiskers to help them feel things. What a large house. The doors are locked. But we've got the keys. Let's see if they work. Yay! It's a frog! Which door shall we open next? This one. I think this key should work. Let's see. It's a donkey! Next! There's a duck inside! What will we find behind the next door? A fox! I'm getting more and more curious. Look, friends, it's a rabbit! And the last door. This is a sheep! Hold on! It's the baby sheep from our puzzle. Go back to your mom. Sheep are fluffy farm animals. Baby sheep are called lambs. Huh, what's this? We can open this box. These are eggs. Let's check this one. This chick is yellow. Next, this one. This chick is purple. How about this one? It's orange. Next. This one is blue. This one's upset. It's red. And the last one, this chick is green. Now what? Oh, we can use some magic. But first, we have to prepare. Abracadabra. Did it work? Yes! Hey, little one! It's a chick! Your mom misses you. A chick is a baby chicken. Chicks hatch from eggs. They are covered in soft, fluffy feathers. Hey, animals! Let's assemble this puzzle. A sheep. What's this animal? It's a cow! Next one! A hen! Let's find this one next. It's a cat. A goose. Here it goes. This is a pig. And a dog. Amazing, guys! Gotcha! It's a dog! Your mom is right here. Baby dogs are called puppies. Dogs use their tails to show how they feel. All the babies are back. Well done. Thank you for your help. Bye-bye!